Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the Diamond Hub in Maypen. Now this is a massive development. They're going to build 74 commercial warehouses on 118 acres of land. But what makes this development so special, it's because it's located at the ideal position or location. It's located at the Maypen interchange, and this is the largest interchange in Jamaica, and it's also a diamond interchange, which is why they named the project Diamond Hub. So from this interchange you can go on Highway 2000 and get to Kingston in 20 minutes. You can get to Mandeville in 20 minutes. So it's ideally located and perfect for a commercial warehouse, because with a warehouse the most important thing is access to the highway. So this is the development. It's actually on both sides of the highway. So on the right, that is one section, and then coming up on the left is another section. And this area is where China Harbour Engineering Company had set up their base of operation when they were building this highway. This highway goes from Kingston to Mandeville, but it will eventually go from Kingston to Montego Bay and Kingston to Negril. So once you have this kind of access to the highway, you can get your goods to Kingston, Montego Bay, Negril, basically anywhere on the south coast of Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Kirbyton Commercial Development Limited introduces its new development, the Diamond Hub. Kirbyton Commercial is currently subdividing its lands located along the Maypen leg of the East-West Highway. The 118-acre property is divided into two parcels and is perfectly placed at entrance and exit ramps of the highway and joined by the underpass, which gives access to both sides. These ramps give entry and exit to and from the existing main road. The Diamond Hub is located at the Diamond Interchange at the Maypen exit and is 20 minutes from Mandela Highway and 20 minutes from Mandeville, with easy access to all major towns and highways. The land will be subdivided into 74 service, commercial, and industrial lots ranging from 0.75 to 2 acres, of which 4 will be reserved for green spaces. The location, along with ease of access to and from the highway, makes this complex perfect for supermarkets, shopping centers, commercial banks, telecommunication outlets, restaurants, pharmacies, BPOs, and the list goes on. Alright, so that's the end of the update on this development. Now, as you can see, massive piece of land. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We will keep you guys updated on this project. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.